eyebrows, welcome back to my channel. It's Maya Leah here with another video. If you're new, hi, I'm Maya or Maya Leah, and if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. Before you get into the video, I do my eyebrows off camera. You can find that video linked up here in the corner. And also, I will be having an updated eyebrow tutorial soon, just stay tuned. As you can tell by the title, I'm showing you how to glow up in 2023 using makeup, and this is the finished look. The first thing I'm going to do is eyes, and I'm going to prep my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape. This one is in the shade 35 in medium, and I'm just going to put a small dot on both sides. Then I'm using this flat brush to blend it out. Now I'm going in with this damp beauty blender just to make it more seamless. And now I'm going to set that concealer on my eyelids using some banana powder. And I'm using this brush to apply it. Moving on to eyeshadow, and the best way to make your eyes pop without wearing an actual eyeshadow color is to use bronzer. So I'm going in with the Lovecraft Beauty Palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Saniva on my eyelid. Same brush I used to set my eyelids, which is the Crayon Case 01 brush, is the same brush I'm going to use for the Saniva. You just want to put that all over your lid. Now I'm going to curl my lashes using the e.l.f. eyelash curler and apply mascara. This one is the Buxa mascara. Before I apply lashes, I'm going to finish the rest of my face. So now moving on to the base. The primer I'm going to be using is the Beauty Blender Opal Essence Primer. And I just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply that to my face. Moving on to the under eye area, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy in this shade 38 in medium tan neutral. And I'm just gonna draw a line like this. This concealer is running out. That's okay because I'm gonna use a different one. So this is actually almost the same shade as my actual skin. And now I'm gonna use this Tarte Shape Tape, the one I used on my eyelids, to create a brighter look under the eye. Right under eyes are very popular nowadays, and it just looks really clean and just good all together. To blend that out, I am using the BMX 465 Precise Angle Brush by Modipro, and I'm going to spray my brush using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And when you're blending your concealer, you want to blend all the way up to your hairline, and it just gives that snatched look. Now that concealer is done, you can already tell that this looks very snatched. Now moving on to contour, I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation, and I'm just going to put the tiniest dot on the back of my hand because a little bit of this goes a very long way. And I'm going to apply that using my MOTD Lightning Crew brush. And when you're applying your contour, you want to apply it above your cheekbone. If you do it below, then it's like dragging your face down. But if you do it above, you get high cheekbones. Going back in with the Tarte Shape Tape 35 in medium concealer, and I'm going to put a little bit more under my eyes so I can get a brighter under eye. And then the same brush I used to blend it out before, I'm going to use that. And I'm going to go over my concealer with this beauty blender just to blend it out. Now I'm using a Firmer 204 brush for nose contour, the same contour that I use for my cheekbones. And when you're doing your nose contour, you want to place your contour on top of your nose because it creates a slimmer look rather than on the sides of your nose. I'm going to clean that up using the same Tarte concealer. Now to clean up my contour, I'm using the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie in 2J7, and I'm going to use this to carve out my cheekbones. And I'm using this flat brush right here. Now I'm going to blend that together using this beauty blender. And I do find it that when I damp my beauty blender, the makeup blends way better rather than a dry one. Now I'm gonna set my face using the banana powder, and I'm gonna press this in using that same beauty blender. So I'm just gonna take some. And I found that pressing the powder in your skin prevents creasing. I'm in with the BMX 265 Glow Brush, and I'm gonna set the rest of my face where I put concealer. Going back in with my Lovecraft Beauty palette, using the shade Suniva and my Pharma 103 brush, I'm going to go over my contour. And now I'm going to go over my nose contour using the Pharma 204 brush. Now using this Lovecraft Beauty 1 brush, I'm going to dust off that powder. I'm moving back to eyes. I'm using the Sugar liner in black, and I'm gonna line my under eyes. Adding black eyeliner to your makeup just makes your makeup look more fierce, and you just feel more powerful altogether. Now I'm going to do a little bit of liquid liner on my eyelid, and I'm using the Dose Fierce and Fine liner. And now I'm doing bottom lash mascara with the Buxom mascara, the same one I used for my top lashes. My mascara is done. Now I'm gonna apply my lashes and come back. I just applied my lashes. Now I'm gonna use blush. I'm using the Tarte blush in the shade Kirky. And this blush right here isn't very pigmented, but it gives your face like a subtle pink look. And I'm using the Slimmest Glam in SL42. Now I'm going to set my face using the e.l.f. Makeup Missing Set. And next is highlighter, and I'm using the Ofra highlighter. And the same brush I used to set my under eyes, I'm going to use that for highlighter. And I'm going to put some on my Cupid's bow and then my nose. Now I'm going to line my lips using the Lottie London AM to PM lip liner in the shade Espresso. Now I'm going to use this clear lip gloss to blend in that brown. And next I'm taking this lip gloss right here. It has a little shimmer to it. Next I'm taking a color like this, and I'm gonna put this in the center of my lips. Okay, this right here is the finished look. This is how you glow up in 2023 using makeup. This look is natural, but it gives baddie and fierce. You can really use this look with like anything. Holidays, party, or just like a natural look. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.